In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for nonprofits. This guide is designed to help you navigate Monday.com effectively and optimize your workflow for your organization's needs. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to Monday.com, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll be prompted to choose a login method. We recommend using your Google account for a more streamlined process. Select Google from the options provided and choose the Google account you wish to associate with your Monday.com access. This will secure your login process and save you from remembering yet another password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start creating. Move your attention to the left panel on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a plus icon. Clicking this icon is your door to a world of template options, which help you get started with ease. Next, after clicking the plus icon, direct yourself to the Template Center. You'll immediately notice a variety of templates catering to different needs. These pre-designed templates can significantly save you time and provide a structure to be more effective in handling your tasks. Inside the Template Center, look for the Nonprofits tab. Monday.com offers specific templates designed for the unique needs of nonprofit organizations. Clicking on this tab will reveal tailor-made options specifically created to suit your organizational goals. Now, in this section, browse the selection of templates. Take your time to go through each option to find one that best matches your objectives. It might be helpful to consider what tasks you need to manage, be it fundraising, volunteer coordination, or event planning. The goal is to select a template that most aligns with your operational needs. Once you've found a template you like, it's time to act. Click on Use Template. This action will import the template into your workspace, allowing you to start customizing it according to your nonprofit's specific requirements. Templates in Monday.com are entirely adaptable. You can modify columns, change task colors, set deadlines, and much more to fit your organization's process. Remember, the key to making the most out of these tools is to understand how they fit into your daily operations. Spend some time exploring the different elements and settings. With this setup, you're now ready to effectively utilize Monday.com to achieve your nonprofit goals. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started on Monday.com for nonprofits. Thank you for watching and